Hi everyone, today I have a small unboxing for you. I'm going to be unboxing the Hermès Variation Pendant in Blanc Béton. Alright, I'm actually going to put this down so I don't accidentally drop it. So first thing you see when you take the top off the box is you have a nice little Hermès bag to store it. You have these little drawstrings on here to tighten and loosen. And here is the pendant. So what really struck me about this pendant is that it's made with buffalo horn. So this horn is actually sourced from Vietnam and is very carefully selected for the color and quality. And during the production process, they actually put on 12 layers of lacquer to give this awesome, smooth finish and look. So if I run my finger gently across it, it's very smooth, very even, very slick. It's very shiny. I hope that comes through on the video. And it just looks really elegant. So this pendant actually comes in 3 different colors. This is the Blanc Béton, which is a whitish color here. There is also a rose dragée, which would be more of a pinkish color. Still very light. And then finally there is an auburn color here, where this inner circle is more of a brownish mahogany color, and this is more of a dark red, the lacquered buffalo horn. The cord itself is a waxed cotton cord. It's very lightweight, very durable, very elegant. And on the backhand side, you see that made in Vietnam, as I mentioned. Then there's a little Hermès Paris stamp, or a silver emblem, I should say, at the top. And the wax cotton cord actually goes all the way around the pendant as well. So let me go ahead and pop it on. This is actually a unisex piece of jewelry. So it goes, I think, if you're a man or a woman. And you can obviously adjust the cord as well, so you can have it sit where you want to on your chest. So the variation pendant with buffalo horn retails for $375 in the US as of July 2020. There is also another variation of the variation pendant, hence its name, that comes in Swift leather, which is approximately $200 more. So if you want more of a leather style, you don't want to go with the buffalo horn, you do have those options available as well. That comes in a variety of different colors. I chose the buffalo horn because it was something a little bit different. That was a little bit more unique. But there's certainly, as the name implies, many different options and materials that you can choose in this style of pendant. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment sections below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.